Rename sheets in Excel. Hi, this is Extend Office. Today we will talk about how to rename a single sheet or multiple sheets in Excel. For renaming a single sheet, we have three straightforward methods. The first is to double-click the sheet tab you want to rename. As you see here, the name editing mode is activated. Just enter the desired name for the worksheet and hit enter. The second method is to right-click the tab of the worksheet you want to rename. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Rename, and type in your new name and press enter. The final method caters specifically to those who favor using keyboard shortcuts. Select the worksheet tab you want to rename. Sequentially press Alt, H, O, R. Then, type in the new name and press enter. Note that to rename the next sheet, you can press Ctrl and page down to move to the next sheet, and then use the shortcut key to rename it. To rename the previous sheet, press Ctrl and page up to move to the previous sheet. In this section, we will talk about how to batch rename specific or all worksheets with a versatile tool, Kutools. After installing Kutools for Excel, navigate to the Kutools Plus tab and select Worksheet. Rename Worksheets. In the dialog box, we can choose the worksheets to rename. Here I will select the first three sheets. In the Rename Options section, choose either to add a prefix or suffix, or replace the original sheet names altogether. We can make these changes using an input value, values from a specified range, or a value from a particular cell in each selected worksheet. In this example, I will add a prefix from the input box to the selected sheets. Once I click OK, a dialog box appears. Click OK. The selected sheets are instantly renamed based on my chosen renaming options. In this tutorial, we will introduce two VBA codes to either add a prefix or suffix to all worksheet names, or rename all worksheets based on a specific cell's value in each worksheet. Press Alt and F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. Click Insert, Module. Copy the desired VBA code according to your needs from the tutorial. Here I will use the code to add a prefix or suffix to all sheet names as an example. Remember to replace my pre underscore and underscore my suff with your desired prefix and suffix respectively. Now, press F5. Go back to the workbook, you will see a prefix and suffix are added to all sheet names. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.